Morning. It's laundry day. Ben, as usual, is behind and late. We're staying in this really nice villa. So, really nice villa. Villa. It's actually called Villa, so I'm not wrong. And we're going to be going to the Exquisite Country Club later, so that'll be exciting. But first we need to do laundry. Okay, Ben Cafe's Country Club bound. Oh, good. You're gonna fit in great. Yeah, excuse me, I'm gonna go fix it. Perfect. It's really nice to be able to see your works displayed in galleries. So here's a picture I took of Carlos in 2017 at the Surrey Lighthouse. DM me if you want me to take pictures of you too. So yeah, pretty good. Where's your pictures at in here? I was flying the drone, dude. Oh, okay. I'm getting in the car. It looks like my car. I like this. This feels like home. Okay, ice cream time. Quick ice cream pit stop.
There's a Peruvian circle. It's called like
suspended lemon.
Suspiro means breath, like when you look, and then limeño means from Lima. Dulce de leche and chocolate means that's a good one. I can pay for it.
You can pay for it?
You already owe me a lot.
Alright, I got my dulce de leche cookies and cream over here, and then 3 milk. 3 milk over there. Yeah, goat, sheep, and cow. Delicious. Oh, muy bueno.
Got like, I think yours, Nate, has yours, Ben, has a
cookie in it.
Liquid interior and a cookie inside.
Oh, wow, Ben, that's fancy. What a place. I feel like I don't belong here.
Real good.
Alright, we are definitely, look how big that pool is. We're definitely at the club right now. Oh my gosh. We are at the plage. Wowzers. Oh my goodness, what is this place? Alright, I see you, Carlos, I see you. Alright, just setting up our little reserved seating. Apparently we're really important guests here. Ben Cafe is on the guest list today, kids. Water's really warm.
I don't want to swim with this.
I do. Oh my god! Do I have to get under this? Nah. I'm balls in this one out. Let's go! You got nothing. Actually, that's quite a powerful undertow. Ah! Oh no. Oh gosh. That one was crazy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! I don't think this is it. It rides away, Benki! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh mon Dieu! Ah! Those waves are crazy. I got flipped by one. Oh, oh, ha, ha. Hi, gringos. So we've done a little bit of swimming, both in the ocean and in the pools back there. Ben's going to play some soccer by himself. And it's almost time for lunch. So are you eating lunch at your house then?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what's for lunch.
Okay. Tacos, hopefully. Oh. Okay. Sick. A few more hours at the beach, and then tacos, and then and then I don't know what we're doing now. Then we gotta pack and leave. Mommy shark, Daddy shark, Daddy shark, Daddy shark, Daddy shark, Daddy shark, Grandma shark, Grandma shark, So our time here has come to an end. We gotta go fix our cell phone, which has apparently stopped working right the day before we need it. And maybe we'll get some ice cream. Maybe we'll get Uncle Carlos to get us some ice cream. Exit. Goodbye, Country Club.
Bye, Country Club. See you next week.
Buenas. Oh yeah, we'll be back next week.
Yeah, we go.
Until next week, Country Club. Let me love you. Let me love you. Ruff, ruff.
Perro.
And perro. Okay.
No, in perro. Perro is butt. Not a butt, but it's like butt. You know what I mean? But I don't understand. Wow, I haven't heard this song.
Cremedolas.
What is this thing called, man?
Cremedolas. Some cremedolas for the boys. Like I said, cremedolas.
Marcelo is starting on your vlog.
Yes. Okay, well, that's my bag. That's my host. And that guy's still packed.
And also, it's just sunburned.
Flight got delayed. We're now leaving an hour and 15 minutes later than normal, which means we're going to miss our pre-trek meeting. Oh, I don't have internet to see if they email me. Actually, I do, I guess. So that's a bummer, but yeah.
What are you gonna do, eh?
What can you do?
Been in for.
¿Cuál? A ver. Hay un montón.
So we didn't get a romantic Valentine's Day supper, so we're gonna do it now, I guess. Thanks, Avianca. So this is our entree. It's called cheese and tomatoes. Hopefully Ben enjoys it. I paid a lot of money for this, Ben. You better like it. So change of plans. This is not Cusco. This is
We're back in
Miraflores. We can't escape Lima.
Which is, it's the middle of Lima.
So, our Avianca flight was canceled. It was delayed. First, the gate changed 3 times. Then it got delayed, and then it got canceled. But honestly, I'm okay with them because they actually took decent care of us. So they rebooked us on a different airline so we could leave earlier. They gave us this place. Like, what is this?
This place is very nice.
Studio lighting. Gave us a meal voucher, a breakfast voucher, and transportation to and from the airport again. So we're cool with Avianca. Ben cried. We're cool.
I did not cry.
Ben was upset. But yeah. So now we have to do our trek. We're not going to get to do the mountain biking, which Ben is actually upset about.
That's the part that was upsetting.
So yeah, but other than that, I think it's time to go get some food. And Avianca, just if you're wondering, be cool. Cool.
How's the lighting?
Alright, that's really cool.